Hi there, I'm your English coach Christina, and welcome to Speak English with Christina, where you'll learn American culture and business know-how to become confident in English. Some English words sound the same as in your own language. Most of the time, they have the same meaning, but not always. And you might think you're using the word correctly, but then your English-speaking colleagues give you a weird look. Like that. So, you think they understood what you mean, they think they understood what you mean, but actually, you can both be wrong. And it's all right. It can happen to anybody. And I want to help you get better than that. And that's why I'm creating a practical, 100% useful ebook. What was that? How to correct 50 common mistakes and avoid confusion in American English. You'll find in there conversation scripts, grammar tips, and many common mistakes that you won't have to make anymore. For instance, let's take the word eventually. Hear a common mistake in sentences such as, eventually we might have lunch together, what do you think? Here, the speaker makes the mistake with eventually. Indeed, many students use eventually to express the idea of something that might be a possibility, or something that might happen depending on how the situation evolves. But that's a mistake. These ideas are better expressed with maybe, potentially, or possibly, or even if you want. And a correct version of the example would be, maybe we'll have lunch together. What do you think? Or we might have lunch together possibly. What do you think? Because eventually means something else. In the English language, eventually means finally, sometime in the future, sooner or later. For example, looking for a new job, it's tough, but I'm sure I'll find one eventually. Julie is late to our meeting, but she'll get here eventually. Or, eventually, you're gonna get rid of all these mistakes in English. I'm sure of it. Don't worry. The difficulty in this word is that it's very easy to miss out that you even made a mistake. Your sentence will probably still mean something, but not what you intended to say. For instance, if you say, I'll eventually call you, instead of, I'll call you maybe, which is what you mean, they'll understand, sooner or later I will call you, which is a little vague, like, one day I'll call you, but the exact day is a mystery. So, to recap, if you want to express the possibility, you use maybe, possibly, potentially, or even if you want. And if you want to use eventually, check if you can replace it with sooner or later, after some time, or sometime in the future. And now, tell me, can you write 2 new sentences with eventually? And it can be as simple as, I'll find my glasses eventually. Write your answer down in the comments and give it a try. And there are many more mistakes that I want to help you with. And that's why I've created a new ebook, What Was That? How to Correct 50 Common Mistakes and Avoid Confusion in American English. It includes 50 short easy to learn lesson so you correct your common grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation mistakes. And it also includes common idiomatic expressions and American culture do's and don'ts, helpful quizzes to get you to remember what you learn, and so much more. Go to the link below this video and get yours right now. And thanks for watching Speak English with Christina. I'll see you next time.